Hello and welcome to the SkyNet Akash Validator channel. My name is Paul Levette, and this channel is dedicated to all things Akash and the unstoppable cloud. My validator's moniker is SkyNet, and if you are familiar with the intro music, you know my inspiration for the name. Let's get started with today's topic. Be sure to watch the entire video because I will provide you with information on how you can get involved with becoming an Akash validator, and it is not too late to join the Akashian challenge. Today, I am introducing you to Akash Networks and their cloud computing model built on Tendermint and Cosmos. What is Akash? Akash Networks is a secure, transparent, and decentralized cloud computing marketplace that connects those who need computing resources, clients, with those that have computing capacity to lease, providers. For the clarity's sake, I will refer to Akash providers as Akashian providers. Akash acts as a super cloud platform, providing a unified layer above all legacy cloud providers, such as Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. On the marketplace, Akash presents clients with a single cloud platform, regardless of which particular legacy cloud provider they may be using. Market context. The cloud industry is expected to exceed $210 billion by 2022. The leading cloud providers, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure, dominate the market with a 71% market share, and this figure is expected to increase. This is driven by increased consumer demand for throughput and content, a global surge in smartphones, rapid development of web and mobile applications, and high costs of DevOps on-premise server management. Because you have only 3 major players in the game, they lock you into their platform, and limit your flexibility. These cloud providers prefer customers to deploy their applications in a single data center and penalize them for being cross-regional or multi-zonal, usually through hefty bandwidth fees and veritable regional pricing. This is why AWS's pricing model is different for each region for the exact same resource. The other questionable and appearance of unethical conduct by Amazon's AWS is found in its use of open source projects. AWS uses the open source projects to make lots of money while not compensating the brilliant minds behind them. For example, AWS's Elasticache is a white-labeled open source software called Redis. Redis is an open source project much loved by developers, written by Salvatore Sanfilippo and maintained by Redis Labs. As of this writing of the Akash white paper, a managed Redis server in U.S. East Ohio running on Amazon's R3.8 extra large is priced at $31,449 a year, whereas the same instance without Redis costs $18,385 a year. The extra $13,064 is just for the peace of mind of having Amazon's name labeled on it. Neither Sanfilippo or Redis Labs are compensated for their efforts. Open source companies such as Redis dare not complain because a large portion of their income is garnered by their product being offered as an independent option on the AWS platform. You cannot bite the hand that feeds you. The Akashian answer to this problem. Akash Networks is developing SuperCloud, the world's first and only decentralized peer-to-peer cloud marketplace for serverless compute and services, enabling any data center and anyone with a computer to become a cloud provider by offering their unused compute cycles in a safe and frictionless marketplace. Why the Akash SuperCloud? Akash SuperCloud is a faster, better, and lower cost cloud built on Web 3.0, ensuring sovereignty, privacy, and access. Flexibility and 90% lower in cost, their serverless computing platform is compatible with all major cloud providers and all applications that run on the cloud. Who is behind Akash Network? Greg Asuri, Chief Executive Officer and co-founder. Greg has transformed the future of cloud computing. Prior to Akash, Greg founded AngelHack, the world's largest hackathon organization with over 150,000 developers across 50 cities worldwide. A renowned open source, distributed systems, blockchain developer, thought leader, and applied economist, Greg has helped launch several developer companies, including Firebase, acquired by Google. He launched his career at IBM and later designed Kaiser Permanente's first cloud architecture. Greg is a frequent featured speaker and was instrumental in the passing of California's first blockchain law, providing the first expert witness testimony at the Senate. Adam Bosnick, Chief Technology Officer and co-founder. Adam drives the technology behind the world's first supercloud for serverless computing. Prior to Akash, he led software development at Symantec, One Kings Lane, and Marketron. Before that, he worked as an engineer and developer for music monetization platform Topspin, which was acquired by Apple in 2014 following an initial acquisition by Beats. Adam holds a U.S. patent for the invention of network protocol fuzzing, a security analysis methodology that dynamically tests a system's resilience to protocol abuse. Moving on to technology. Akash is a delegated proof-of-stake blockchain using the Tendermint consensus protocol. Tendermint was chosen because of its flexibility as a library with a modular and pragmatic design, and because of its iteration speed and community momentum. Cosmos was the world's first decentralized launch of a proof-of-stake blockchain network. Cosmos is called the Internet of Blockchains because of its interoperability it offers between different blockchains. The path to mainnet. I found Akash midway through phase 1 of the Akashian challenge that started on April 30th, 2020. It took me 1 to 2 weeks to get my validator node up and running properly during phase 1. My major contribution to the project was to create a guide on how to set up a validator node. The phase 2 announcement is occurring today, June 19th. I will share highlights of the phase 2 announcement in my next video. Additionally, I will share my journey and knowledge gained as I lead SkyNet through the remaining testnet phases and to mainnet. Starting this challenge is my small part in contributing to the success of Akash and giving back to the Akash community. Well, that sums it up for SkyNet's first ever YouTube video. You can help us by signing up for an Akash account with the referral link here. You will need to sign up and provide your KYC information in order to hold AKT. Additionally, you can delegate your AKT to our validator, SkyNet. Remember that you maintain control of your tokens at all times. Finally, never, and I do mean never, give your wallet passphrase or any other private information to anyone presenting themselves as being with Akash. Akash will never ask you for such information, and they will never contact you first. The hallmarks of a crypto scammer include, but is not limited to, making a fake profile of an admin in a project you are following, offering to have a third-party escrow using the above fake profile, offering to sell you tokens at a too good to be true price, asking you to send Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other crypto to them first. Once they receive this, they will immediately delete the bogus account that they are using, and you will be left empty-handed. Thank you for watching. Come visit my website at skynet.paullevette.com. There you can find the link to my guide on how to build your own validator node and other Akash-related content. Be sure to like, share, and comment on this video, and subscribe below.